Thirikari ni uritwe kuriaga antu baria baringikite kumania na miunda na irima riao ni Nyomoo cha Kithaka. Bubo ni uge bwa Ndagitari Justus Nyomoo uria ni mutongereria wa kiuthurano gikumenyeka ta Elephant Neighbors Center aria akwarairia antu wega kinya bwa kumenyera Nyomoo iji ni arombete kinya mwingi na thirikari kugwatanira kiri kumenyera guntu kuria kugwatagia rudi kenda gutigira Nyomoo iji cha Kithaka ni kumenyerwa bwega. Mwandiki wetu wa Nteto Muthuri Muriuki ni akurikithia cio.
Nandikenda gutigira nai mwingi bakumenyithia mantu jegi Gukarania Nyomoo na ni Ndagitari Justus Nyomoo urotongerete gikundi kia Elephant Neighbors Center na kijite ndene kaunti Meru nikenda mbakwarania na akari uria bakarana Nyomoo cha Kithaka uria ugite miaka ijite Nyomoo ichamba kwithwa ikithira ukaja kwithura antu patito na uria bakarana cio.
In all those counties that we've been passing, we found that every county have their different issues when it comes to wildlife, when it comes to tree planting or environmental issues. And here in Meru, this is our 7th county, and this county is monogamous. It has so many issues downstream or towards Meru Park, also towards Isiro region, where conflict is very high, where people live with wildlife, and also on the western side, where people now don't live with elephant. This is Mount Kenya. So we're trying to sensitize people on, one, the importance of these animals. They do know that they bring, yes, tourism, but how does that happen? And also, what are the opportunities for community to start generating revenues from this wildlife as individuals? This is through establishing the community sanctuaries that are also there, like in Chuka. And also what other things that can we tap tourism, from the information about the other heritage that we have.
Grukia kiure thirikari kagita karanto barenjangira interview bedo be mustari jwa mbere kutigiri bakuriwa.
The county commissioner of every county, he is now the county person for the compensation committee that Kenya Wildlife Service and sit as a secretariat. So there are those processes. What do you do when an animal is killed? What do you do when someone is injured or killed by elephant? So those procedures, we are sensitizing, telling community this how to do that. But also trying to talk about also the penalties, in terms of if you are found in forest, if you're found carrying wildlife or trophies and all these things. So there are those processes, and we must keep telling community that if you are found guilty with ivory or trafficking or even meat product from wildlife, penalty now can go up to 20 million shillings or life in imprisonment.
Na wendi bwa nkuruki niko na itete maberoje bikotha bikimenyerwa ni amuna gutigira meuro irane kunyua ni antu ni theri.
The other thing that Kenya Forest Service, who are with us, are emphasizing so much on the increasing the tree cover. I know we cannot plant so much trees in our forest, but there is a process now or a directive from the president which KFS had started way back to increase the tree cover in the farms, people's farm. And they're working closely with the county commissioner and also working closely with other institutions where they can produce those seedlings and plant. The other thing that we are also emphasizing is the issues of water catchment and also cleaning the rivers, planting trees along the riverbeds and making our towns clean, because most of our towns are dirty. Most of the people living along the edge of the forest are the people actually who get the first drop of water before it starts going down to the rivers or to the downstream. And most of these water actually get down there when they are being dirty, people washing cars, motorbikes in the river. So we're discussing this and discouraging communities to be sensitive a little bit to understand what is they require.
Muthuri Muriuki, Weru Weekend, Mutiro Jwa Kangangi.